Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates are big clubs in Seoul.
Khona izolo uthena it's important that Chiefs or Pirates win the league soon because it's good for business. Uthi when Chiefs and Pirates are winning, the stadiums are full and it's a snowball effect. And some fans, amanye ama-club ngengiwasho ngegama awekho happy but naye enye amanye ama-tweets bayasho lokuthi Liverpool and Man United ibi-struggle-isha ukuwina i-league but ama-fans fill up ama-stadiums and i-business is good kwi-Premier League. I don't know lama-fans lawa lenye club le yasobhuqwini why feel affected ngalo mbiko show ile sikhulu se-Cape Town City because isikhulu se-Cape Town City siyibona lento ene-business way. Lama-fans laba 57 ayakhala ngoba bona banawo ama-fans. Lento eshiwo lo baba lo iyiqiniso ngoba when you look at it ibhola la South Africa uma ulikhumbula kusawina i-Pirates kusawina uKaizer Chiefs i-stadiums ayigcwala ama-sponsors ayefika ezo-sponsorships league. When you got two of the biggest teams in South Africa competing for the league and winning the cups, ama-sponsors ayafika. Orlando Pirates last season ya-sponsorship yi-Oppo. Ama-sponsors kancane ayafika because i-Pirates siwina ama-cups. The more team iwina, the more league, the more team iwina per se, the more ama-sponsors efika. Even i-Sundowns na inawo ama-sponsors amaningi. Even i-Stellenbosch have many sponsors now because bayawina. Yize bengawina ama-cup but bayela kuleyo ndlela leyo because bawinile last season i-Carling knockout but indlela abadlala ngayo bayawina. So into ayishoyo lo baba lokuthi when teams like Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs win the league yabo ama-sponsors ayabona ukuthi hayibo abantu naba sebuyele i-stadium awuthi si-sponsorship league. When they sponsor the league bazoveza izinto eziningi zabo njengoBetway nje. Look at Betway for instance. UBetway uzo-advertise more about izinto zokubheja njoba izoqala nje isizini. Iziningi izinto esesiyibonile ezimalena nokubheja like ama-show amaningi ebhola manje wabona ko-YouTube kobani online as a sponsor show Betway. They trying to push lento ya Betway. They are sponsoring the league by ukuzoba yi-league ye-PSL. So lento eshiwile ama-fans lawo iyangixaka mina. Iyangixaka ngempela. Kuyiqiniso ngempela. Ukuthi inkinga yabo abafuni ukuvuma ukuthi Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs are the biggest teams in South Africa. Bona bahluleka ukugcwalisa ama-stadium. Bayahluleka nje ukugcwalisa ama-stadium. Ngeke ubona igame ye-Sundowns ne-Swallows igcwele. Lo uyasho. Na enye tweet uthi we have watched Sundowns play Al Ahly and Wydad at a full stadium. Nothing to involve the Chiefs and Pirates. Must we basis kahle le tweet le inamanga ngoba lapha mekudlalwa i-Champions League, mekudlala i-Sundowns idlala i-Champions League, i-stadium salaba sigcwala uma ufike neskipa esiyelo. Ubheka la kule skipa lesi nangu umuntu uhlanazela iskipa se-ANC wangena ubuka igame ye-Sundowns. Menibona kuyelo nje laphana kuzodlala i-Sundowns ku-AFL noma izodlala kwi-Champions League kusuke for free. So lama-fans lawa ane-pressure, feel i-pressure ukuthi iyikhulu zala e-South Africa zama-teams i-Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs inkulu, very inkulu. If you look into the past, you can see that Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs are one of the biggest teams in South Africa, if not Africa. So these fans lawa angafundisekile kumele ahlale phansi abukele ngoba iPirates isizobuya manje izoqoqa konke ngokwayo and bavumelane ngezinto ezishiwoyo because labantu laba bayayazi imali. Yabona isikhulu seCape Town City siyayazi imali. Ama moves ewashayayo based on ukwenzeni imali. Acabangeli nje ukuthi uthando lebhola. Yabona nje obesho ukuthi it's better for ama-team manje ngoPirates no Kaizer Chiefs win because they have more fan base. If their fan base come to the stadiums and support their teams, the sponsors will come. If there are more sponsors, the sponsors will sponsor the league. The league will get money and pay the teams imali. Because njoba kunama sponsors a sponsorship league, lawo ma sponsors lawo akhokhela i-league. I-league inikeza ama-teams imali. So Mosanje ukucabanga ukusupporta inhliziyo. Ikhipheni inhliziyo ukusupporteni ama-teamini. nivume ukuthi team yenu incane noma kunjani, because I'm sure ama-fans eSundowns njengoba nginama-followers amangaka ngeke aze ayidlule ama-followers enginawo maningi kunama-supporters eSundowns a-attenda ama-daily games wakhona. Yabona nje ama-supporters eSundowns a-attenda ama-game akhona, nginama-followers amaningi mina kunama-fans eSundowns.